In today's video I will show you step by step how you can create a game pass inside Roblox. So first of all, once you have headed over to roblox.com and you are on the homepage right here, simply come to the top left hand corner and select create. Once you do this, you will then be brought over to your dashboard where you can go and click on this right down here, or you can go to creations and then click on my place right here. Once we do this, you can come over to the left hand side bar, scroll down until you see monetization, and then under this you will now see an option for passes. If we click on passes, that will then bring us over to this page where we now have got an option to create a pass. Click on create pass, that will then bring you to here where you can then upload a photo if you want to do that, and then you can go ahead and enter in a name and a description. So in this example right here, I will put in Game Pass tutorial, and then in the description you can put pretty much whatever you like. I will just copy and paste this into this box, and then once you have done that, you can then click on create pass, and then I'll next show you how you can set up a price in Robux. So click on create pass, and then what we can do now is simply click on the pass that we've just created. That will then bring us over to this page where we can go over to the left hand side bar and click on sales. Once we select sales, as you can see, you want to select this toggle on right here, so item for sale. Make sure this is turned on, and then you can now put the price in Robux into this box. So for example, if I just put in 200, you will see the amount of earnings that you will get from a sale in this for 200 Robux. I will then get 7% of this, which is 140 Robux. Once you have done this and once you are happy, you can simply click on save changes, and then once you click on save changes, this will mean that you have created a game pass on Roblox.